Hi everybody, it's Juliet here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the June treasure box from Potomac Beads. So if you are new to the channel or you don't know what that is, it is a monthly subscription box that comes from Potomac Beads. There are two different types of boxes. There is the treasure box, which is this box, which is a curated collection of beads that fit a theme and they all kind of match together. And it's really great if you're building up your stash or if you just want some monthly inspiration. The other type of box is called the kit box, and those ones come with 3 kits and the materials to make them. And usually the projects all kind of go together with a color theme. Not always, but usually. So if you want more information about that, I will put a link down below for those. So we're looking at the treasure box today. So this is what I just took out of my envelope. And so first of all, I've got this little postcard, and on the back it has a color wheel and it tells you how to use it, and it talks about contrast and harmony. So this is a really useful little tool just to have at your desk if you have trouble matching things. So it's telling you here that contrast would be using 2 colors that are opposite on the wheel, and harmony would be using 3 or a couple that go together next to each other on the wheel. So like these 3 or these 3. So it's just a useful little tool if you have trouble picking out colors. And then I also got given a pattern. I don't know if everyone is getting the same pattern or not, but that's nice to be given a pattern. Okay, and then let's see what else we get. So I love these boxes. I use them to store things in. Most of my findings and a lot of my, all of my smaller pearls, bicones, fire polish, I have them all stored in these boxes, and I just write on them what is in it, and I stand them all up next to each other, and it's really handy. Okay, so this month's theme is Coastal Oasis. And it says, this month's treasure box reminds us of the profound feelings of peace amidst the shoreline's clear blue water and light breezes. Okay, so I love that. Peer into the soft interior glow of mermaid glass rounds. Okay, love mermaid glass. Sparkling sapphire and emerald crystal and the delicate detail of metal charms. With design possibilities as expansive as the ocean, create shimmering pieces to encapsulate the essence of your own coastal oasis. Awesome. Okay. Ooh. And at first glance, I can see the ocean already. Lots of blues, greens, little starfish. Very cute. Okay. Let me take everything out and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so this is everything that is coming in the box this month, and I am just loving the colors. I already want to go to the beach. This is so pretty. Okay, so let's just go over everything. So on the back of your little description, you get a list of everything that is in the box. And I'm actually going to start at the bottom here, the crystal pickup pencils, because I took these out and I was like, what are these? They just look like white pencils. So these are actually, they're like sticky, and you can kind of pick little small things up with them. So that's a new one for me. I have never used these, and I have never kind of seen them before. So you get some crystal pickup pencils. So that is an interesting little addition. Then we have some dragon thread, a little 5 meters of gray, which is enough to make, a pair of earrings or something. We're going to get 2 check glass ripple beads, which are these. Oh, wait, actually, yeah, that's these, I believe. So these are really pretty. They have a sheen to them that's like underneath the surface, and you can see they have like a kind of wavy pattern, and they are a fun sort of shape as well. They just have one hole that runs through them this way. So these are really pretty. These would be lovely on either side of a necklace or alone as like a central drop to your piece, or, you know, just put some things on, make them into earrings. So those are really nice. Then we get some 4mm check glass faceted rounds, aka fire polish beads, is what people just call them, fire polish beads. So we get two colors. So we get this really fun turquoise Picasso swirl color, which is really, really pretty. So you can see those there. So they have a pale turquoise background and then brown swirled in among them. And then we get this absolutely beautiful color of turquoisey aqua that matches really well with our ripple beads, actually. And you get a whole bunch of those. You get fewer of the Picassos. Then we get some 8/0 Miyuki seed beads. This is such a pretty color. I didn't take them out of the bag because you guys know what seed beads look like, but look how it's an AB, and they're so pretty. This is sea foam lined crystal. Just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really loving those. Very pretty. This is the Miyuki number right here. So it's size 8, and then it's number 263, which happens to be one that is one of my favorite to use in the 11/0. I use it all the time. So now I have matching 8/0s for that. Okay, then we have some Potomac crystal bicones, 2mm, and these are the emerald color. And they are really nice quality, nice cut, very sparkly. You can't go wrong with those. I actually just used a whole bunch of these recently, so I am happy to have some more. I love the emerald. It's actually one of my favorites as well. I like green, so I do a lot of green things. So, okay, and then we have some Potomac crystal cushions, 12mm, and these are stunning. These are the color shift ones, and I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing here. I am seeing everything from purple to aqua to a kind of almost peridot color. I mean, these are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at the sparkle and the color in those. Aren't those beautiful? So you get 2 of those, which is perfect for a pair of earrings. Okay, and then we have also the mermaid glass beads. Now this is interesting. I've never seen ones that are gray. So mermaid glass is kind of cool because it picks up the light in it, and depending on how you turn it, it has basically a flat area inside it that reflects the light, so it always looks different no matter which way the bead is going, and it gives it a lot of depth. And they are kind of clouded looking, a little bit sort of sea glass looking. So this is mermaid glass, and yeah, so this gray is a lovely neutral stormy color, and I really like that. That's pretty. Something I need to start using more is mermaid glass, actually. I don't think I've ever made anything with it. I do have some, I've never used it. Okay, then we have here some starfish charms. So you get 5 of those, and they are nice quality charms, and the back is hollow. So these would be cute on an earring. I mean, you could even just do something like that. There's your earring, or this, you know, it doesn't have to be complicated. Okay, now we have some beading needles. So you get a pack with 2 of each size, 2 size 12, 2 size 11, and 2 size 10, which is really useful. If you're a beader, you're gonna go through loads of these, so always useful to have. Okay, what's next? lever-back earrings. You get a pair of lever-back earrings. So if you make something using your cushion, you have something to put it on. So these have a little shell shape on the front of them. So that's pretty, goes with the ocean theme. Then we get some 10mm check pressed beads, which is these. And we've had this shape before in some of our boxes, but these are really fun. These are kind of an opaque, grayish, almost purple color, it looks to me. I can't really even describe it, but it goes with the mermaid glass. So yeah, it's kind of a purpley bluish gray is the best way I can use to describe it. Okay, and then next on the list here, we have some check glass pressed rondelles. Okay, so we've had this shape before. It's kind of, so if you look at it one direction, it just looks round, and then another direction, it looks kind of pointy at one end. So we had some red ones. I think we've had some clear ones. So we've had this a few times. These are really fun little beads. And this is a very pretty blue color. I'm hoping that that is the right thing. Okay. Check glass smooth rounds. That's these. So these are also known as drooks. So they're just little round glass beads, and they look like they're just clear, but you can see the white lining where they were taken off the rod when they were blown. So they do kind of almost look white. Okay, and then let me see what else. Check glass discs. Okay, that's definitely these. So these are little drop discs, little round drops. So they have a little hole at the top. I don't know if you can see that. They're an absolutely gorgeous color. The bag says these are cobalt, but I wouldn't call them cobalt. I'd call them more of a teal, but anyway, these are really pretty. Can you imagine just having a bunch of these strung along on an anklet or a bracelet or even a necklace? It would just be so pretty, just having, you know, a whole line of them with some other things in between, and these were just the drops. It would just be gorgeous. Okay, let me see. Next, we have some check glass drop beads. So that's these. And these are in a smoky quartz color. I believe these are 6x9, if I'm going by memory of what it said on the bag. So you get a whole bunch of those. Again, you know, you could make an anklet or a bracelet with a whole bunch of drops going along. Be really, really pretty. And then we have some check glass conch shell beads, which are these. So these are really cute. You get 3 of these, and they actually look like a real shell to me. I mean, if you just showed me that, I would think it was a real shell, and it's only if you look close that you can see the seam where it was pressed that you realize, oh, it's a bead. They're so convincing, like the color and the way they're, I don't know, painted, or they even have little ridges on them, like a real shell. So, I mean, I love these. They're so cute. You could just do these on the earring. That would be adorable too. But anyway, so, and they just have a hole that goes from top to bottom. So you get 3 of those. And I just think those are adorable. I've never seen those before. That's one thing I like about this box. Every month I'm like, I've never seen this before, never seen that before. And next up we have these check glass shell beads. Oops, I'm dropping them everywhere. Okay, so these are cute little beads. They are a pretty blue color, and you can see that they are pressed to resemble a seashell. So they are pressed on both sides, and then they are strung up and down through the hole this way. And you get a good number of those, quite a few of those, and they're that beautiful bright blue ocean color there. Okay, then we have, last but not least, these check anchor pendants, and you get 5 of these guys, and they are quite a size. So one side is smooth, and the other side has the cutout of an anchor on it. Can you see the anchor there? Try and make it so you can see it there. Okay, there you go. So it has the anchor, and then the edges just kind of cut. So it's kind of smooth, but the anchor is cut in, and then the sides are cut. So you get 5 of those, and they're really cute, and you know, that would make a great centerpiece to a necklace, or again, really cute for a pair of earrings. So I really like this collection. I love the colors, I love the theme, and I like that, you know, we're just getting sort of drops and some unique and different beads this month, which is really fun. Okay, so again, I'll put a link down below if you are interested in subscribing to the box, the Coastal Oasis, and I will see you guys in the next video. And sometime this month, I will be making a project using some of the items from this box. Okay, take care for now. Bye.